Hey everyone, it's Mychal again. You spoke and we kinda listened. Here's a new installment of top products for the month outside of health and fitness or Nutra space, whatever you call it, on ClickBank. And this time around we have a dating offer. We have a few spirituality offers and a few other gems, literal gems. We're giving away diamonds right now. Actual diamonds. What was that? No, I'm being told gems was completely metaphorical. So we're not giving away anything except the best offers on ClickBank, which is amazing. So here's the best of the rest list for July. And at number 5, we have the Obsession Method. We have a classic men's dating offer just for you that was just updated in 2024. The Obsession Method. This is a new launch of the popular dating offer that helps men learn how to be more attractive to women. The team behind the Obsession Method has created multiple other top 50 offers on ClickBank, so you can be confident that when you promote this product, you're getting a banger. And affiliates are loving this offer because it pays 75%, not just on the front end, but on the entire back end with a nearly 60% take rate. That's insane. The Obsession Method is definitely worth a look if you have an audience of men. You can promote it right now. But for a bump to 90% commissions or for CPA payouts, you gotta email them. So get on that interwebs, type in that stuff, and get that commission. Let's get into those numbers. We got an EPC of 88 cents, an average payout value of $82.54, and a hot conversion rate of 1.06%. That's amazing. That's really good for a dating offer. Of course, you need to have the right traffic for it because you're just not going to sling this to, your grandma that's out there or your grandpa, but you're gonna want to have the right traffic. But if you have the right traffic for this, man, this is a killer offer. Now let's go on to number 4, which is Soul Resonance. And this is a brand new offer that's converting like crazy with a compelling new angle around soul reading. It uses a personalized sales page to get potential customers invested in the product. This one features both a strong initial payout of more than $25 and also an ongoing rebill revenue. The product is from the same team behind Soulmate Reading and Draw My Twin Flame, so you know there's an audience for it. If you're interested, be sure to check out Soul Resonance on ClickBank's marketplace and start testing it right now. Now let's get into the numbers. It's got an EPC of 18 cents, an average payout value of $25.99, and a hot conversion rate of 0.68%. When you're looking at this, don't get frightened or freaked out. This is more an offer for email lists. It's gonna be more an offer for organic traffic that's designed for that spirituality. But if you have that traffic, it's an amazing offer because it's clean, it converts at a high rate, and it has a low refund rate. And so you're gonna keep a lot of the money that you're getting in. So go and promote it. Okay, everybody, we're gonna cut just a little bit in here and tell you about a cool thing we're doing next month. We are going to be at Affiliate Summit East. We're gonna be bringing the ClickBank crew. You can meet me, you can meet Thomas, you can meet some other really awesome people, and you can come to our party. Yeah, that's right, we're having a party. So click this link right here and sign up. Are you going to be in New York? Are you going to go to Affiliate Summit East? If you are, click this link and sign up, and we'll see you there. And click the link below, subscribe, see some more content so you can hear more about, hey, maybe there's a party going on. Maybe there's a podcast I'm pointing to right here that's about media buying that's gonna help you guys out and help you scale your business for the next coming year. Who knows? I might point at other things and there might be a link. There might be a link here. It could be anything. Click it, see what happens. All right, at number 3, we got Soulmate Story, which is a new sketch offer with an astrology angle from one of ClickBank's best diamond vendors. Soulmate Story provides a soulmate drawing based on the customer's astrology chart, along with a compelling soulmate story. Aw. The product comes with email swipes and a hop link generator. Are you interested in giving it a try? You know you are. So apply to get whitelisted for 75% commissions on both the front end and across all upsells. And why? Has an EPC of 44 cents, an average payout value of $35.44, and a hop conversion rate of 1.24%. That is a good astrology offer, and plus, don't you want to know what your soulmate looks like? Yeah, you do. You know other people do too. So go, test it. ¿Cómo están, amigos? At number 2, we got Rocket Languages, which continues to be a top 5 affiliate offer outside the health and fitness space on ClickBank. This is a classic foreign language product on ClickBank's marketplace featuring several popular online language learning courses, including Español, Francés, Italiano. I don't know how to say German, and more. This offer was closed to new affiliates for a while before opening back up, which explains why its numbers are so high. And we're talking a nearly average payout of $100 and a conversion rate of over 8%. That's incredible. So now you know what's on the high side of that. The only catch is you have to apply to promote Rocket Languages, but once you're approved, you can participate in one of the highest converting digital products on ClickBank's marketplace. Now let's talk about these insanely high numbers. It has an EPC of $8.15, an average payout value of $98.14, hot conversion rate of 8.3%. Okay, those are all insanely high, which lets you know that it was kept to a small group of very dedicated users that had just the perfect traffic. Don't be surprised if your numbers aren't going to look like that. But even if they drop, this is a high converting offer. It has amazing refund rates. So you're going to keep a lot of the revenue you get in, and it can go to a wide swath of people in the United States in tier 1 markets, and even tier 1 markets that people are trying to learn English from Spanish or English from French. So it has a great wide pool of people that you can target. Go. Test it. In spot number 1 this month, we've got the one, the only Ted's Woodworking. Welcome back, Ted. This classic woodworking offer on ClickBank continues to be an amazing top seller. It has an irresistible hook, 16,000 woodworking plans, anyone, and incredible longevity on our marketplace. If you think this could be the offer for you, it probably is. There's 16,000 reasons why. Head over to the ClickBank marketplace, check out their listing, and right now, Ted's Woodworking is seeing most of the success on Facebook ads, email, and native. This product is on fire, so jump over to the marketplace, check it out, promote it, and let's get into the numbers. EPC, 80 cents, average payout value, $73.25, and a hot conversion rate of 1.09%. I mean, that's a great offer. So go, promote it, test it, and that's been your top 5 offers for July. We've got some fresh names on our list. We've got some consistent winners. And I know you're going to be able to get that traffic. Why? Because I'm manifesting it. And if you can't manifest it, we got a product for you. So don't do it for me, do it for the algorithm. And why do you do it for the algorithm? Because the algorithm knows you. I mean, it really knows you. It knows all of us. It knows us better than we know ourselves. So anyway, see you next time. Go make some money, y'all.